All right, guys. So this is Unit 2, Exercise 2A, Basic Operations in Quantitative for Primary 5. So remember, guys, the first thing we look at is the pattern. So what is the pattern here? So here we have 210, 210, and here we have 120 and 90. Now, what is the pattern there? If you add 190 plus 120 to give 210, if you subtract 120 from 210, it will give you 90. And when you subtract 90 from 210, it will give 120. So this plus this will give this. This minus this will give this. And this minus this will give this. All right, so that's the pattern. Same thing applies here. 45 plus 115 will give 160. 160 minus 25 will give 115. 160 minus 115 will give 45. So same thing applies here. All right, so if we are to do this, we are going to say 17 plus 29, which will give us 46. This one will be 180 minus 80, which is 100. This one will be 130 plus 50, which will be 180. This one will be 120 plus 70, which will be 190. This one will be 60 minus 40, which will give us 20. This one will be 85 plus 15. Okay, which will give us 100. In this case, this will be 240 minus 110, which is 130. This one will be 300 minus 150, which is 150. This one will be 500 minus 240, which will give us 260. This one will be 650 minus 165, which will give us 485. All right, this one will be 96 minus 35, which will give us 61. This one will be 110 minus 58. 110 minus 58 will give us 52. This one will be 240 minus 160, which will give us 80. This one will be 45 plus 65, which will give us 210. This one will be 1,170 plus 230. That will give us 1,400. Okay, so that is basically the pattern. Now, this minus this, that's 560 minus 140, will give us 420. Then we have 420 minus 240. This will give us 180. Then here we have 800 minus 630 will give 170. And then we have 680 minus 360 will give 320. And then we have 720 plus 280. Finally, will give us 1,000. So that's basically it. The pattern is to get this, you add this plus this to give this. To get this, you subtract these two to give you this. To get this, you subtract these two to get this. All right. So that is basically exercise 2A, quantitative primary 5, unit 5. Thank you for watching. Bye.